So this is how you can actually do affiliate marketing. So for this we're going to be using Amazon. For example, you can see Amazon has a program known as Amazon Associate Affiliate Marketing Program. What you need to do is basically sign up with your old Amazon account. Second is to recommend it. The third thing is to earn commission, and you can see that you can earn up to 10% commission with the help of associate program. That means what? For example, if you have something, a product, whenever you go on to Amazon, and after that you can see amazon.com up here, and after that whenever you go up here you can see, for example, if we change the delivery to, so we can change the delivery and we can come here, and after that on amazon.com you'll be able to see that there are really awesome options that are really available. Now what you're going to be seeing is that we can see some gaming accessories, keyboards, and some shopping by category. You can see computer and accessories, video games, and something. So you need to do what? You need to choose a niche first. So whenever we click onto the all section, you can choose shop by department. So you need to choose, for example, if we choose a thing that is like weight loss, for example, if we want to use get fit at home, so if we want to sell something that is like how they can actually work here at home, and after that they can get fit. For example, if we use this fit simply resistance loop exercise, so it has got sold 114,000, that's almost like 100k units have been sold. So you can simply click up here, and after that whenever we click up here we'll be able to see that it has got some great ratings and it's a bestseller. So how they can use it? They can actually use it like this. For example, they need to use this one. What we need to do is very simple. So you can see this is really inexpensive and people can easily buy it with the help of some special things. What it is with the help of your links. So whenever you recommend it, you're going to be getting a link. Now how you can actually recommend this thing is very simple. You simply need to go on to Pinterest and you need to make I have made an account for you, so don't worry, I can show you. So you can actually see, you can have to make an account just like this. For example, if you have weight loss goals, okay, so you need to come on to Pinterest, onto the feed, and after that if you just right click on here onto the search and you write weight loss, okay, you just write weight loss for women. Okay, so if we just do it for women, so you can see that there are different categories people are searching it, like women over 40, over 50, in 30s, in their 40s, over 200 pounds and whatnot. So basically they have got all of this. So if we want weight loss for women just, okay, so we can actually see this one, or we can, if we just write workout from home, okay, so workout from home for women, this is just perfect. You can actually work on this thing if you want to. Now you can see this one, okay, so all these things are like home workout. So for example, if we just see all of these ones, then you can see all of these things leads to somewhere, right? So you will be able to see that all of this is home workout. So basically what you can do is that you can actually use all of these images and you can actually recommend it. For example, this girl is doing okay, so this girl is doing abductor squats. So think about it, if she has got a resistance training band like this in here, right, so this would be much more effective for her. So you can actually recommend people, you can actually give them this, you can make content basically, and after that whenever you do that, you will be able to see that there are so many abundant of you can say content available in the internet for you. Now whenever you do that, you can again see, and you simply need to do what? So you can see up here that there are things just like this. You know what it is? It's just a link. So you have to put your own Amazon link up there and they are going to be going on to that place. Think about it like this. If you are someone who is just doing it, so you can see that this page, okay, this has got 3.2k followers, which is really amazing. So you can see something like this. that 5 months ago this has got this positive feedback, and this is 6 months ago I just started and I can already see it working. So people are really engaged, people actually love it. For example, if we come here, you can see Diary of a Fit Mommy LLC. So this has got 183.k followers. If we click on here, we will be able to see that this channel, this Diary of a Fit Mom LLC itself is getting 10 million views, right? So if it's getting 10 million views, think about it like this. If we go on to calculator, for example, okay, so calculator, so if we go on to calculator, then you'll be able to see that 10 million, which is quite a good number. Okay, so here is 100k, million, and 10 billion, right? So if we see 10 billion, if we remove 99% of the people per month, okay, so we are having this amount of things, and this is costing us like $12.95. So let's assume that you are going to be making 10% of it. Okay, so it's gonna be like $1.2. It's $1.2. So how much you're going to be making? You will be actually be making $120,000 if you have things like 10 million views. If you don't have, for example, this channel doesn't have that many views, but it has still got 181.9k monthly views. You can actually not just sell this thing. Additionally, you can also sell things like Amazon is doing for you. For example, you can sell this and you can sell this. So total the price goes up to $38, that is $40. $40, 10% is $4. So you bump up from $1.2 to $4. That is basically really amazing, and how you can actually do affiliate marketing real easily.